Good morning. Trade recap. Today is October 27. Private list today we talk about Plug, ARCS, Optimism, Tectonic, and Nimiq. Take a look at this profit, guys. 53%, 52%, 58%, 51%, 30%. We just made 270% on the last 48 hours. Guys, the reason we make so much money trade crypto pumps because we trade coins with high volume. Okay, my software is calculate volume spike plus buyer power. And the reason you are losing money because you are focusing on coin without volume, guys. Volume is confirmation. In order to you make money, you need volume. You see those 7-day charts for these main cryptos here? Let's make this thing bigger. They look all similar because all those coins, they do, they follow Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes up, all those coins goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, all those coins go down. So they are traded without volume, guys. And on the side, the Bitcoin update today, I mentioned in my video, we had the we crossed the resistance right here, but we are trading without low volume. You see the volume decreasing here. The volume is decreasing. So this is a daily chart. Okay, now if you go to the weekly chart, you see a different image here. You see a better image. Okay, the weekly chart, guys, we on the RSI is still above 50, below 50. It's 48 right now. So you only see Bitcoin doing a crazy move up or down if the RSI is above 50. Okay, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Guys, if you need a trade platform like TradeView to trade, reach me out. I'm gonna provide you a free platform so you don't have to spend $600 like with TradeView. Okay, and don't worry, I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin, and also we can trade for you. If you don't like to trade crypto pumps, reach me out. We can trade for you. We can do a swing trade on the main cryptos. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.